And I'm Courtney, and we're from the Chattanooga Public Library.
And today we're going to be showing you how you can make your own stickers at home. So are you ready?
I am ready. Let's make some stickers.
Let's do it. Alrighty, so we're going to show you two different ways that you can make your own stickers at home. Courtney has, first we see in white, some label paper.
Right here.
For making labels, maybe you have a name tag sheet that you haven't used. You can cut it up, draw on it, and then once you have your drawing on your sticker complete, just use your scissors to cut around and make a shape that you like. To draw on her label paper, she has some normal markers, she has gel pens for a cool twist, and she has some ink pens. Now, if you don't have label paper, but you do have some tape and construction paper, we have another solution. Courtney has brought along with her some pink construction paper that she had. She also brought some masking tape to put over the front of her sticker to keep it pretty and shiny and unsmudged when she's done. And for the back of her sticker, what she has is double-sided tape. So,
right here.
When she's done making her sticker design, she will take that double-sided tape and put it across the back of the sticker. Then she will cut out the shape that she wants. If it's a circle sticker, she'll cut out the circle, and on the back she'll have that double-sided tape. Ideally, you'll be able to peel off the back of that tape and stick it wherever you want when you're ready. Miss Courtney, can you please tell us what to do if we don't have a back for this tape?
Yes, so my double-sided tape came without the backing on it, so it's sticky on both sides. So if I decide I'm not quite ready to stick my sticker somewhere, I can take this aluminum foil and put it on the back of the sticker till I'm ready to use it. And then when I'm ready to stick my sticker on something, I can just peel the aluminum foil off and it'll be ready to stick my sticker.
Perfect. A wonderful solution. And I, at my house, have some markers and I have some label paper. So I'm also going to make my own drawings and save it for myself so I can have cool stickers for my house or for my friends. Alrighty, so are we ready?
I am ready. I'm so excited to make some stickers.
So am I. All right, let's go. So your first step is going to be to take your paper, be it construction paper or your label paper like Courtney's working on, and you are going to begin drawing your art. So Miss Courtney, what are you inspired by for your art today?
Well, I am basing my art on the book A Wrinkle in Time by Madeline L'Engle. It is the first in her time quintet. And this is one of those books that proves you can't judge a book by its cover, because I remember seeing this book when I was young and thinking, yeah, that looks boring. I did not pick it up until a college class, and I absolutely fell in love with it. This is the book that I always kind of go back to when it feels like things are falling apart and I'm looking for hope and encouragement and love in the world, and this book always brings it back to me. What about you, Miranda?
I have been reading the trilogy by Philip Pullman called A Book of Dust.
Yes.
And it was one of the options at the teen library section for young adult fiction, and it seemed cool, so I picked it up, and I am obsessed with it.
Okay, so I have created Ant Beast here on the construction paper. And first I'm going to cut her into the shape that I want. And I just I don't want it to exactly follow her shape, but I don't want it to be perfectly round either. So I'm just going to cut her out. So I've got my masking tape here, and I've got the sticky side up, okay? So you want to lay your masking tape down with the sticky side up, and then you're wanting to protect your drawing. So we're going to flip it over and we're going to put it face down onto the masking tape so that when you pick it up, the shiny side is on your sticker. And I've got a little bit left over that's unprotected. So I'm going to take a second piece of masking tape and just put that over the top so that the bottom part of my sticker is protected as well.
Okay.
Just like that.
And
And then I'm going to cut it out. When you're working with your double-sided tape, you might want to fold over an end, just like that, so that you don't lose the end of your tape. So when I cut it off like that, I'm going to fold over the end so that I don't lose the end of it. But I'm just sticking my double-sided tape onto my sticker. And I've got 2 good sticky strips right now, but I'm not ready to use my sticker yet. I think I want to put it in my journal later. So to save the back of it, I'm going to take that piece of aluminum foil and I'm just going to place it over the back of my double-sided tape, just like that, to protect the tape. And I'm going to turn it over and just cut around it so it doesn't mess up the front of my sticker. If you have parchment paper or wax paper at home, that works even better. But I did not have either of those. I just had aluminum foil, so that's what I'm going to use today.
cool.
And so now it has a little back on it that I can peel off when I'm ready to stick it.
We would love to see any stickers that anyone watching this makes. So
Yes.
take some, post it to Instagram or Facebook, and tag the library because we would love to see what you made.
Hashtag MPRL2020.
Yes. Well, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
Thanks, guys.